T-minus 8 days.
In exactly 8 days, an object older than our Sun is going to hit the exact, mathematical edge of Jupiter's gravity.
Statistically, a random interstellar rock hitting that exact trajectory is less than a 0.2% probability. It is moving at 58 kilometers a second. It has a tail that points the wrong way, and its chemical signature does not match anything found in nature.
It has been traveling the void for 6 billion years. And right now, it is perfectly executing a planetary flyby.
Space is functionally infinite. A random rock from the void should enter at a chaotic, highly inclined angle. But 3I Atlas didn't. Its trajectory is tilted a mere 5 degrees relative to the orbital plane of our planets. Statistically, a random object hitting that narrow window is less than a 0.2% probability.
Astrophysicist AVI Lub has publicly pointed out the anomaly, assessing a 30 to 40% likelihood that this object is not fully natural. This convenient geometry allowed it to fly past almost every major planet in our system. Venus, Mars, and now Jupiter.
It didn't just stumble into our system. It threaded the needle. It is following a path so precisely aligned with our planets that it looks less like physics and more like a flight plan.
When we analyzed the chemical signature of its gas plume, the anomaly deepened. We found nickel, but we didn't find iron. To compound the mystery, telescopes just detected an unnatural, diffuse X-ray glow radiating from the nucleus, extending 250,000 miles into space.
In nature, nickel and iron are locked together. Pure nickel is typically a signature of industrial nickel alloy production. Furthermore, the ratio of nickel to cyanide in its plume is orders of magnitude higher than any comet ever recorded. Nature doesn't build with pure nickel.
We do, and so does 3I Atlas.
Comets are supposed to have messy, chaotic outgassing as they melt. But Hubble images revealed 3 distinct, mini-jets that are nearly equally separated around the nucleus. Furthermore, it possesses a confirmed sunward jet or antitail, a glowing extension that defies the solar wind and points directly back toward the sun.
It isn't just venting gas. It's stabilizing its rotation with geometric precision. It has jets where there should be silence, and a tail that points the wrong way.
Which brings us to right now. Just days ago, on March 2, 2026, the European JUICE spacecraft captured the object on camera as it races toward the outer solar system. On March 16th, 3I Atlas will pass exactly 53.5 million kilometers from Jupiter.
That distance is identical to Jupiter's Hill radius. It is the exact mathematical edge of the planet's gravitational influence. The perfect orbital pocket, where an object could drop off satellites or probes into a stable orbit without being swallowed. In 8 days, it reaches the doorstep of Jupiter. It is aiming for the exact mathematical point where a traveler would drop its luggage before leaving for the void. The question is, what is it leaving behind?